What lies beyond the boundaries of our known solar system? What wonders and mysteries await us in the depths of space? Join us on a journey of discovery as we explore the incredible images and groundbreaking discoveries from NASA's New Horizons mission. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the stunning images and data collected by New Horizons and uncover the secrets of the outer solar system. Get ready to embark on an epic adventure of discovery and see for yourself what New Horizons saw during its journey to Pluto and beyond. New Horizons was initially selected for funding in 2001, but was excluded from the NASA 2003 budget. Funding for the mission was reinstated after New Horizons was listed as a top priority in the Planetary Science Decadal Survey of 2003 to 2013, which identifies scientific targets for future exploration. Spacecraft typically have a set design lifetime, similar to warranties on electronics or cars. Over time, solar particles, cosmic rays, and other phenomena can degrade the surface of the spacecraft or mess up the electronics. This makes long missions like New Horizons especially challenging, requiring backup systems and a source of power, nuclear power, to keep the spacecraft alive far away from the Sun. New Horizons Jupiter flyby. New Horizons' first target was Jupiter, which it visited in February and March 2007. The spacecraft passed by at less than 1.4 million miles, 2.4 million kilometers, from the solar system's largest planet, making this the first spacecraft to swing by since the Galileo probe finished its mission at Jupiter in 2003. Among New Horizons' first pictures were shots of Io, Jupiter's volcanic moon. The spacecraft captured the clearest pictures ever taken of the Tvastar volcano, showing volcanic fallout that was bigger than the state of Texas. Additionally, the spacecraft flew through a stream of charged particles swirling behind Jupiter. The probe found large bubbles of charged particles or plasma, and also revealed variations in the stream of particles. At the time, astronomers said the observations could help with understanding the environment around hot Jupiter planets found at other stars, or planets the size of Jupiter that orbit very close, the equivalent orbit of Mercury, or even closer, to their stars. Jovian moons. The four largest moons of Jupiter were in poor positions for observation. The necessary path of the gravity assist maneuver meant that New Horizons passed millions of kilometers from any of the Galilean moons. Still, its instruments were intended for small, dim targets, so they were scientifically useful on large, distant moons. Emphasis was put on Jupiter's innermost Galilean moon, Io, whose active volcanoes shoot out tons of material into Jupiter's magnetosphere and further. Out of 11 observed eruptions, 3 were seen for the first time. That Tvastar reached an altitude of up to 330 kilometers, 210 miles. The event gave scientists an unprecedented look into the structure and motion of the rising plume and its subsequent fall back to the surface. Infrared signatures of a further 36 volcanoes were noticed. Callisto's surface was analyzed with LEISA, revealing how lighting and viewing conditions affect infrared spectrum readings of its surface water ice. Minor moons, such as Amalfi, had their orbit solutions refined. The cameras determined their positions, acting as reverse optical navigation. New Horizons reaches Pluto. New Horizons was so busy gathering data in its July 2015 encounter that, as planned, the spacecraft didn't communicate with Earth during its closest approach to Pluto and the dwarf planet's largest moon, Charon. Controllers celebrated when New Horizons phoned home, as they knew that data was on the way. Pluto's distance, about 3 billion miles, 5 billion km, from Earth, presented power challenges for the New Horizons designers, since the sun's rays at that distance are too weak to generate power. There are also long communications delays for those staying in touch with the 1,054 pounds, 478 kilograms, spacecraft. When New Horizons reached Pluto, it took 4.5 hours for a one-way message to get there. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft conducted a historic flyby of Pluto, providing the first up-close images of the distant dwarf planet and its moons. During the flyby, New Horizons captured images of two previously undiscovered moons, which were later named Styx and Kerberos. These moons are small and dim, making them difficult to detect from Earth-based telescopes. To find the moons, the New Horizons team used the spacecraft's Long-Range Reconnaissance Imager, LORI, and its Ralph/Multispectral Visible Imaging Camera, MVIC, to scan the area around Pluto. They then compared these images to earlier images of the same area taken by the Hubble Space Telescope, looking for any changes or new objects. This process allowed the team to identify the two new moons and determine their orbits around Pluto. The discovery of these moons provided valuable insights into the formation and evolution of the Pluto system, and highlighted the importance of continued exploration and study of our solar system's outer reaches. Ultima Thule. Ultima Thule is a trans-Neptunian object located in the Kuiper belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune that is home to many icy, rocky bodies. Ultima Thule was discovered in 2014 by the Hubble Space Telescope, and it was later chosen as the target for NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, which flew by the object on January 1, 2019. Ultima Thule is an elongated object that measures approximately 33 kilometers, 20 miles, in length and consists of two distinct lobes that appear to have been gently fused. The surface of Ultima Thule is covered in craters, pits, and ridges, indicating a complex history of impacts and other geological processes. Scientists believe that Ultima Thule is a primitive object that has remained largely unchanged since the formation of the solar system, making it a valuable target for studying the early history of our cosmic neighborhood. The New Horizons mission has provided us with the most detailed images and data ever obtained of Ultima Thule, and scientists are continuing to study this enigmatic object to better understand the processes that shaped our solar system billions of years ago. Asteroid Belt. In 2019, New Horizons detected a small, previously unknown asteroid belt in the outer reaches of the Kuiper belt. The asteroid belt, which is estimated to be located about 2.5 billion miles from the Sun, is thought to contain millions of small, icy bodies that range in size from a few meters to several kilometers across. The discovery of this asteroid belt is significant because it provides new insights into the formation and evolution of the outer solar system, and it suggests that there may be many more small, icy objects in the Kuiper belt than previously thought. In conclusion, the New Horizons mission has provided us with a wealth of new information and stunning images of Pluto and the outer reaches of our solar system. From the frozen plains of Pluto to the Kuiper belt beyond, this intrepid spacecraft has taken us on an epic journey through the cosmos, revealing wonders beyond our wildest dreams. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.